muna.
Okay. Bala ka. Oh, Dad, this one.
Wow, pogi oh.
Dad, my hair was more long than his.
You're a girl. He's a boy.
Because when I'm a little, I want
What will grow his
mommy.
hair
Oh.
next time? Aba, babe ah.
First time yan.
First time to, ano? Okay.
Wow.
Walang likot oh.
Bala ka, tatay.
Are you a big boy already? Yeah? Ang babe oh, parang di malikot. Okay.
Kala mo, ginugupitan na ng matagal eh.
Oo, kala mo matagal na nagpapagupit ha, no? Diretso lang siya sa upuan eh.
Walang kagalaw-galaw ah. Very good. Galing.
Yeah.
Kita niya si daddy eh. Hindi gumagalaw eh.
Oo, dapat di rin daw siya gagalawan.
Can I see it? Oh.
Oo. Oh.
Wow. He's so behave.
Kalahin mo yun. Yung first haircut mo, mas big ka pa sa matagal na nagpapag...
Dad, and listen next to your phone. I didn't have a hard time. And this.
Lockdown? Lockdown?
Lockdown.
Easy lockdown? Ay, very
Oh,
good.
ano? Oh, just look lang ha. Kaya na ito yung stand back. O yan, ganyan ito.
Wow, good job talaga tong baby ko.
Para mas baby boy talaga na. O, just look down. Yan. Oh, buldo.
Lockdown eh. Lockdown talaga siya.
Oo, look lang na siya.
Dad,
Hmm.
you're still late. I want to see the
Ang tagalin mo nga, nababanggalan na kita. So,
Yeah, okay lang.
Let's go. Oh.
parang si Dito na ito. Yan.
Macy, Macy. Look at the mirror.
Look at the mirror.
Yon.
Wow! Kaya pag brush up, tingnan mo.
Mommy's upstairs.
Wow! Wow! Mas okay no, Nick?
Ah, yeah.
Parang mas ano,
Mas
na
okay
boy.
na to.
Oo.
August 1.
Wow! Okay, oh.
Finished my research.
How do you like your haircut, boy? Ganda ng bago mong hairstyle, oh. Oh.
I get the final idea.
It's done.
It's fine?
Yeah.
Wow. Galing, oh.
Much finer than before.
Okay.
No, he definitely looks like a big boy. Right?